This is my first time reviewing this shoe, alright? I've never wore it before. I've never seen it before. This will be my first time reviewing it. Is it a dope sneaker? Is it not? I've heard of the Jordan Max in 200s. I like those, you know what I'm saying? But then, I'm hearing of this Jordan Max 200s. So I thought I'd get one and review for you guys. So let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. All right. In case you don't have these Jordan yet, guys, comes in a box that looks just like this. Let me give you guys a 360 real quick, all right? Let me show you the bottom. Let me show you the top. Now guys, first thing I noticed about these cakes is that it's got a little bit of suede in it, right? Not only that, it's very light, right? That's what it feels like on me. It feels like it's very light. And from feeling inside, that's a little bit of cushion there in the back, all right? To support your heels and the side of your foot. It's a little bit of cushion there, right? And I notice the very, very tall heels, okay? This actually would make you look taller when you wear these, all right? This Air Max Unit Bubble, it's definitely gonna give you a lot of springy bounce, you know? But with this material that this is made of, I'll say this is very breathable, okay? So your feet wanna sweat a lot. They're very strong bottom, very, very strong rubbery soles. You know, very well put together, you know what I'm saying? Like I said again, it's not bad, man. This is my first time reviewing the Jordan Max 200. I actually never ever seen one before. This is actually my first time seeing one of these. It's pretty dope, man. See, made of leather. Some part is made of leather. Got this very thin laces, right? It says number 23 on the tongue. You can see any closer, all right? It feels very, very light. You know, I say you could probably do a lot of sports activity in this. Besides that, you can walk around in this for a very long time and won't tire your feet. And it's comfortable and bouncy. Any sneakers that's light on the top and has that that's got some good bubbles on it, good quality bubbles on it, you can pretty much do anything with it. And I say this is one of those type of sneakers right here. These actually go for about $120 retail, all right? They are Jordans, okay, but they're called the Jordan Max 200s. You know, another type of Jordan. There's so many Jordans out there. Basically, this is a Jordan and an Air Max combined together. You know what I mean? And that's basically it. You know, but it's dope though. I love these. You know what I mean? I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button. If you're not, click that share button and the like button. Thank you again for watching my video. And until next time, just maybe I might catch you with these on. Or maybe not. Who knows? One easy.